Hearing some weird noises out here. I'm hoping that you can hear it on this video. It's been going on for about 15 minutes. Could be chipmunks or something, but I figured that they'd be sleeping mid-February. There was one.